Welcome back to KTR Bro, and thank you so much for 400 stops. This video is a 400 stop special. We're playing Lava Boat with a special guest. Say
Hi.
okay, so let's play. Come.
Okay.
Okay, now loading. This game's Lava Boat.
Yeah.
It's a 400 stop special. Oh,
Hello, sister.
okay, let's do it. Let's go.
Yeah.
If y'all haven't played this game, you must watch this. There's gonna be crazy things happening.
Yeah.
Come on, grab wood and grab the things. You have to survive a lava. So
Yeah.
basically you gotta make stuff for the lava. Make the base as this thing. Oh, there's a campfire. Sofas. No, stop. Make these as the thing. Make the thing here.
Okay. I am going to get some loot
No,
from
get
the
the sofa
house.
out of the way, please. Please, sofa out of the way. There's a storm. What? A storm? Oh my gosh, can you get the sofa out of the way first, please?
Yeah.
I need to do something and this really like it's just like annoying right now.
I got a handgun.
Okay, good. Let me just make stuff that you will be useful, basically. Store. I got these things.
Ooh, cool.
I'm making the floor right now, so it'll be more secure.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that they just burned my ears, bro. Grab another sofa. Come on. Grab my blocks too.
I grabbed it.
Come on, grab those too. Grab the things. Come on, grab. Grab that one too. Come on, I'm grabbing it. Okay, here we go. Uninstall. No, stop. I'm starting back. Oh, right. Starting back. No, start this and back. Oh my gosh. I'm actually rushing right now. Help.
Oh my god.
There's a lock missing. Whatever. Get in.
I think it's in your sack, but whatever.
Whatever, we'll build it later. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
I'm actually rushing. Not gonna lie. This game is hard. Move, bro.
Yeah, no.
We're playing this game. I'm control. You control the left. I control right.
Okay.
Left. No. Left. Come on, left. More
Oh
left.
my god.
More left. Stop.
My god.
Oh my gosh, Rick. Really?
The raft rebuilds itself
Correct.
anyway.
Whatever.
Yeah.
It's over, I think. Yep. It is. Stop. Don't jump, bro. Okay, here we go. Come on, quick.
Yeah.
Okay, grab the metal thing. Grab this metal thing. It'll be useful. There was. Do you know what I'm about to say?
No.
There's like
What?
what's it called? I forgot. Build a roof now.
Yeah.
I'm in charge of building the floor with these, so it'll be better. Oh, I found the stupid block. It was in my stack. Um,
Ooh.
what?
I found like a few metal
Ooh,
thingies.
ooh, you're lucky. I found another thing too.
I also found like a zombie mutant, but it's only one.
I'm really struggling right now. I'm not actually sprinting. Can you grab some food?
Yeah, I got some in my inventory.
Oh, great. Yeah. Grab. What am I gonna get? What's that? I don't know what did I get. I don't know what did I get. But grab some. Grab. Grab some things quick. Wait.
I am grabbing every metal pieces I can get.
Okay. I'm in charge of building right now. And I'm really rushing. Not gonna lie. Real rushing. Very much really rushing. Whatever. Come on, grab. What's this? Yes. Do that as the.
Everything is not made out of wood, by the way, so
Good.
should be good.
Let's make a roof quickly.
Yeah.
I'm
I
doing
am trying
as
to
quick
get
as I
more.
can right now. Wait. No. Mm. No, I don't want it.
Well, actually, I got one more piece.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Struggling right now. Can you like help?
Um, I think it should be fine.
No, grab it.
Grab,
Got
grab.
it.
It needs to be at least
Okay.
attached to the.
Store it in your bag, bro. It's gonna fall. Okay, I did it. Sit. Should be fine. It covers us,
Yeah,
so it should be fine.
yeah.
Should be fine. Come on, please. It's like storming. It's above our head, so we should be fine. I think.
Yeah.
We have a big surface, by the way. We need to like. Oh gosh. We need to change the floor later.
Um,
Oh,
before we actually uh, we took off, I kind of placed down two wooden pads.
oh great. It should fall back onto the floor later.
You see,
Oh, we just were good. Oh gosh, my phone is overheating.
we'll be fine. We'll be fine.
Yeah, I think we'll be fine. Can we stand up? I swear. See, we'll be fine. Let's jump.
Wait, hold on.
Okay, come on. Keep building. Keep building. Okay.
Okay.
You grab supplies while I build. Okay. We have to
Okay.
work. We have to work. Grabbing. What's that?
Oh my god, wrong button.
Oh yes. That's good. That's really good. Concrete blocks, thank you. What's this? That's a big block. That's a huge block. I think I must start like. Do you know what I'm gonna start doing? I'm gonna start building another thing without the. I'm gonna make it bigger, basically. So yeah. So- Okay. Okay, good, good, good.
I am literally running to all of the houses to grab like literally everything.
Oh, what are we gonna get? Oh, great. Please, something good. Wait, I found something pink over there. What is that?
Okay.
What's that? I found something really good. Come now.
What is it?
It's like 300.
I know the crystal thing.
Yeah. I'm grabbing it. Yes, I got it. I'm really like, I'm grabbing anything right now because anything's really good.
Jackpot.
What did you get? What did you get?
I found like
I found
three
metal. I found metal.
Same.
Why is there like randomly 2 blocks? Can someone tell me why is there randomly 2 blocks? Like,
Where?
what do you think? I'm building like real fast right now. I found 2 pieces of metal, which is gonna be great. Look.
Yeah,
Look at our ceiling. Our ceilings.
here,
Yeah. There's a
here.
random. Can you not see it? There's a moland. Literally. Bro! Get out. Hell,
Get out.
you stupid moland.
Oh yeah, by the way, I got a extra handgun for you.
Put it here for me, thanks. Yes. Okay, slay. Yeah. Okay, there's stupid moland. Hey, can we place the moland? Oh, we can place the moland. Oh, yeah, you're gonna be on the floor. Where's it? Where's the handgun?
Okay, here.
Drop.
Take it.
Okay, I did take it. Can you kill the molens, please? I'm gonna do this real quick. If you're almost on the death. Wait, I can move the molens too. Get out, bro. Get out and stop destroying our work. Here's another one. I'm really killing it. Kill. There's 60 seconds. Get on the raft. While you kill, get on the raft while you kill. Okay, I think.
My God.
Oh, building
Yep.
new.
打你唔呀？
New.
呢個喎，啱啱黃色個咧，你攞咗啊？
嗯。
咁快攞咗嘅你？入咗啊？你
Okay.
要啊？
New.
入唔要啊？
New. Come on. Oh. Fire! Get off, bro. It's flammable. Get on this thing. Whatever it's called. Oh, great. It's flammable. Oh, great. A roof, bro. Stand on the roof. Stand on the roof. Stand on it. It won't fire. It won't build a fire. Because it's metal. Stand on the roof. Oh my gosh. Okay. The metal's good. The metal's good. Oh my gosh. This is safe. Get on the metal. Where two are staying. Okay, we survived. We survived.
That
We survived. What's a random block, bro?
咪交情住我識唔到啫嘛，其實
we need to like
Right.
我揾啲卡
We'll make a wall.
再去
I think
咁樣
need
水
to
水
like
I got a crate. It's gonna be a
for
block.
the
I got
metal.
crate.
佢
I
咁
got
樣搣
crate.
家人哋大佬做緊爭面
I think our chairs will build some chairs on top of the metal.
咁你做乜攞隻
Yeah.
Oh, I got some toilet blocks.
啲狗啊個
Oh,
I think I'm gonna make a staircase, okay?
個唔係好
okay.
我下邊呢度地下又開咗間，
Okay, wait. I have good skills. We should just make a wall, not gonna lie.
Yeah, let's just make a wall out of metal.
I guess that could work. Yeah, it works. It works. Okay, it works. I'm not waiting.
Help me,
Coming. Get out, Mullins. Stupid Mullins. Okay, grab some stone.
Oh yeah, by the way, I got like 4 plates of metal.
Okay. Place them on the do the more metal thing. Like place more on the thing. I'm grabbing some blocks.
I need
好
to leave the
嗰時誒
area.
菊花
Yeah?
咩嚟㗎？交換
Why
喂，
not?
唔係好似呢個咩嚟㗎？
Okay. Not going to that.
Wait, oh,
多呀，
making
啲咪日本
and making.
我話你我嗰隻下邊最邊度嘅？
We're doing good. We're doing good. We're doing good. We're doing good.
I am searching around.
有冇分開到？
I think that's all. Oh yeah, and you won't believe what this game has.
What? What the
Hold
fuck?
on.
都未到6點。
This game has chips.
Chips?
Yep. I ate it.
Bro, I need food.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Sure. Oh, thanks. Thanks very much. I'm gonna eat all of it. Thank you. Yep. Building needs work, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll be fine. Probably be fine. Let me just place this last block. There we go. Sit. Oh my gosh. If the
Gonna sit down here. I am sitting on the roof.
there's Mullins. I'm sitting on top. The sofa like drops. No, I'm dying, bro. I'm dying right now. I'm dying. Wait, I'm still good. Wait, what?
Get on the raft.
What's happening? I don't know what's happening. I can move the stupid raft right now. Help. I'm moving the raft and I don't know what's going on. Build. Okay. I didn't know what's going on, but I barely have any health right now. I think the couch was moving and the raft. That's why.
Yeah.
Why? Whatever. I built this staircase. Get on the metal. Right now. Oof.
Nope.
Okay?
I am still resting it. I will rather be on the roof.
No. Oh my gosh, I'm dying right now, bro. I'm dying. I'm staying like on the stupid metal thingy. I'm not staying on the metal. Oh. Here we go. We survived. Survives. Okay. Go. Where's the stuff? What's that over there? Come, follow me. Oh, a gas station, but there's like a lot of mullins. Help! Mullins! A lot.
Stop. You can defeat them. We can defeat them.
There's like a lot. I can't. Oh my gosh, you like crates. Defeat the mullins first. There's stuff that we can take. Take all these stuff. Take all the stuff. Kill the mullins first. Kill all of them. We got lots
Yeah.
of stuff. Okay, good. I'm gonna open the crate. Wait, we cannot open it? I'm taking whatever this thing is. This
Okay.
thing. Okay. Here we go. I took some stuff over here.
Okay.
Grab as much as you can. Handgun ammo. We got handgun ammo. I'm taking it all.
God, I found a giant, and I mean giant slab of concrete.
Come, grab it.
Yeah, I grabbed it. Obviously.
I'm building like stuff. I think we should keep building till the flood actually starts. Oh, we're choosing now. Please get up. Please can you move
Yeah.
this thing? I think
Okay.
because I can't get up.
I'm running back.
What the hell? Yeah, run back. Okay, here we go. What is that? That's literally do the whole floor, bro.
Yeah.
Let's do the whole floor. Put it on top of the metal.
Yeah.
Put it
Oh
on
my
the
God.
metal. Bro, why can I not get up? I cannot get up with these stupid stairs, I swear. Why can I get up? It's like slips. Okay, I'm grabbing the sofa. Where's my sofa?
I think it disappeared or something. But I would rather not sit down.
Why? I can't get up, bro. Help. I keep slipping. Is there something wrong? I swear. Here, help, please.
I am going to try.
Don't mind me building a staircase. Don't build with wood, it's flammable. I got it. Where's the stupid sofa? Stupid sofa. Grabbing it. Come on, go up. There we go. I'm sitting.
Okay.
Come up here. We need a sofa. But there's like no sofas. Couches, not sofas. Okay, yeah, we just like the zombie stuff. I think it's like more safer up here.
Yeah, I feel like more safe.
We should grab the not flammable stuff and build it up here.
Yeah. And the flammable stuff will just like
Flame. We'll just flame. Yeah, it can push whatever. Okay, I want to get the see. It's like more safer up here.
Yeah.
Okay. Grab. I don't care. Just don't touch the shift grab. It's fine. Let it flame. Oh my gosh. That's why I said we need a couch. Get back up, bro. Get back up. Oh, there.
I'm fine.
Round over. Find another couch. Fine. Go. What's that building over there? Oh, there are mullins. Find another house. There are Molens. Oh, I got gems.
I know.
Oh my gosh, there are blocks. There's our blocks. There's another gas station.
翻翻條天。
Okay, this is good.
But
This is good, I think.
I cannot find any chairs. Good news, I found the beanbag.
Bad news is the thing is slipping.
Oh,
It's like the whole thing is like I don't know. I cannot explain it, but the whole thing is tipping. We need structure. Like now. Grab wood.
I
Grab
got
wood.
wood.
Grab
I got wood.
grab wood to structure it. It's like slipping for some reason. Grab the wood and structure it.
大笨象我係咪擺喺你嗰度？
Oh my gosh,
我哋擺唔
please.
喺度㗎啦。
This metal thing is annoying. Get up. No, get out, Omar. Why is the whole thing like it's still slipping for some reason? That's why I couldn't get up. Oh, great. I'm slipping. Why am I still slipping? We need more wood. Go grab wood now. Like now.
I got a lot.
Like the whole thing's tipping.
I got a lot up here. I got a lot.
Okay.
Come up here. Get it.
Put the beam back down. It's like slipping for some reason. See? Okay, problem. I cannot get up. The whole thing is like slipping for some reason. We need a wall. Put the beam back down. Everything's slipping. Yeah, put it down. Everything's dropped. Everything dropped. Oh my. Build a wall. It's like slipping. I don't want wood, bro. I don't want wood. Wood is gonna be the structure, I guess. It's flammable, remember? Whatever, we have chairs. Attach it?
Not like it really matters.
Yeah. So that's why I randomly placed it. The Molens can't get us up here. That's a smart idea.
Yeah.
So we don't have to fight them.
Yeah.
Metal is constructible. Don't build with metal. Oh. Electric rocks.
None of those.
Our bottom is metal, you remember?
Yeah.
But I don't think it will affect it. I don't think. Oh, great.
Yeah.
We have like electric rock. Why are we just sitting here, I swear?
Yeah.
Slip for some reason. Why? Sit down.
I don't slip.
I slip. Look.
What the hell?
What the hell? Why am I slipping?
啱啱俾咗幾時？
I like slip that way for some reason. Oh wait, I have some wood. See? Even the wood slips. Like, what's going on? Look.
No, but I don't slip.
Look. The wood's slipping. Yeah, the Molens can't get us. They just break the down. Let them be. See, they're gonna die anyways.
我係咪帶多字？
Goodbye, Molens.
我
Why not they dying?
我話智能防板加班。
Slipping now. Oh, sit down. Help.
黑字嘅。
Sit. Why the? Oh my gosh, there's lava rocks, and okay, our base is. We're sitting on concrete right now, so it should be fine, I think. Oh my
Yeah.
god, I accidentally jumped. Help!
Bro,
I actually jumped! Oh my gosh! Sambo, it's on fire! The whole thing is on fire!
我喺邊啊？
你可唔可以唔好嘈啊？
我都死。
唔可以。
we are literally
I'm on the metal. Get up on the metal. Oh, the staircase is gone. Yeah, you're gonna just have to survive. Fire behind you.
I
We
know.
survived. We survived. We literally survived. Oh my gosh.
We barely survived.
Yeah, we barely survived. We have to sit. Rifle ammo? What's this?
For rifles, obviously.
Problem? We
What?
have one? Okay, I think like we have to build stuff around us that is not metal.
Yeah.
Come on, you have to do this with me. Yeah, build it like this. Don't use metal, so this should be fine. I think.
We
There's a
ain't
crate.
using
There's a crate. There's a crate. There's stuff here. There's lead blocks, harder blocks. What's oh, this is
go.
stupid.
I am going to get the.
Got some more stuff. Got some more stuff.
Oh my god, I'm dead.
Why? Just run, please.
Like I am literally dead.
Just run. Come up to our base.
I'll be dead.
Don't tell me you died.
Yeah, I died.
I don't know how to save you for some problem. We got a problem here.
I know. Wait. Is it possible to pick my body up like in 99 nights?
We're in lava boat, bro. Well,
Yeah.
I guess when we die, let's see if I die. Let's see if I die. I'm surrounded by blocks. Literally.
Oh.
So I think I will survive.
And I died from a NPC with a gun.
I don't think I can save you. Sorry. If I die, I will end the video.
Yeah.
Come on. I'm waiting for the flood right now. We're just waiting. I'm just surrounded by blocks. I don't think I'm gonna die. But I hope it doesn't catch on fire. I'm cooked as well. I cannot move. The challenge is I cannot move. The Mullins are running, walking, running, walking, running, jumping, walking, running, walking, walking, bending, walking again, running to us, behind a tree, going back, lava, you're cooked, y'all. Mullins are
哦，
cooked.
咁我而家誒
The Mullins are actually cooked. Come on, they're cooked. I think the Mullins are attacking us for some reason. I don't know. Oh, here you go. Why is there like... here it goes.
Bro, I'm literally floating on the lava.
Really? Where are you? I don't even know where are you.
I only know I am floating,
I don't even...
but you can't see me. I am under the lava, but also kind of floating.
Okay. Let's see if I die. I don't care. I'm gonna let the boat do itself.
I see you. I see you.
Really? I don't see you, Paul.
Yeah.
Do you see our boat?
Yeah.
Do you see me?
Yeah, I see you. I see you.
Am I really enclosed? Do you think it's gonna work? I think
Yeah,
it's
I think it's gonna work.
about to crash on fire. The concrete caught on fire. What are those green thingies? Oh, the road has collapsed. I'm still alive. I'm still alive. I'm still alive. Oh, great, great. No, 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 no.
Hey,
no,
see, Hank.
no, no. So crash.
Hello,
Okay,
hello.
goodbye.
我哋點嘅？
Okay, goodbye, y'all. See you in next
係交流
video.
交十字路啊！
Bye.